Hey guys, Big Schmuck here, and welcome back to a new video I'm trying, which is tutorial. So basically, this is going to be very short. As you can see here, this is a self-powering oxygen generating machine. The way that it works is, as you can see, all the wiring is hooked up. So basically, an electrolyzer turns water down here into oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen can be used for power up here, which all you really need is, here's the outline, couple up, all that kind of stuff. You need a pump in the bottom and a pump up top, because the pump up top, or the gas pump up top, is going to be pumping the hydrogen out into this, which is going to be powering the system. But it does kind of need a jump start before you can do anything. The gas pump down here is going to be the one that pumps out the oxygen out here. I'm new to this whole sandbox thing, so I really don't know how to work it. But this is what I use in all of my worlds and all that kind of stuff. So here I'll show you the where is it? Ventilation overlay is right there. Water overlay is right here. Those would be connected. Here, just wait. Sorry, I'm a little bit rusty. This is the first time I've ever tried something and trying to do it quick too. So basically, where is it? Where's the thing? Wiring overlay right there. Liquid overlay right there, and then gas overlay right here. It is a very easy system. Obviously, you'd let me show you how it would look in actual game. It would look like that in the actual game, because you actually have to like get in there and power it and all that kind of stuff. But it's not too hard of a system. If I can use it, you can use it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and I will see you all in the next one. I hope you all have a wonderful day.